A casserole that your family will love. Let me show you how to make it on Darlene's table. Broccoli rice casserole. One of those comfort foods that my children always request, especially at Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I started out with 2 cups of dry, white, long grain rice, and I prepared it per the directions on the package. Then I steamed 2 large bunches of broccoli. You don't want it mushy, but you do want it tender. So now I'm going to combine these 2 things. I like a lot of broccoli in my broccoli rice casserole. So last weekend I was with my 5-year-old grandson, and he was told about Nana's YouTube channel. So he found it, Darlene's Table. So he said, "Nana, I'm looking at your YouTube channel, but there's a lady on here that has brown hair, and I don't know who she is." So we started a channel about 10 years ago, and then we had a long move, and we came to a stop on it, and have just, of course, recently started back up. I had to explain to him that that was Nana, slimmer, younger, and she still had brown hair. All right, we've mixed the broccoli and rice together, and now we'll start on the sauce. So 1½ sticks of butter. Once this is melted, we'll add our vegetables. So 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper, 1 cup of chopped onion. Let's give this a good stir and let it soften up a bit. All right, this looks good. So we'll start adding our other ingredients. I'm going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup with roasted garlic. Next, I will add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup with herbs. We're going to give this a good stir and let it heat up, and then I'll add the cheese. So 2 15-ounce jars of processed Cheese Whiz. I prefer this to the Velveeta in the broccoli rice casserole. It helps if you pop this jar in the microwave for about 20 seconds in order to get it all out. All right, so that's nice and melted, hot. I'm going to add half of a 15-ounce jar of Mexican Creama. And again, what I call my magic sauce, the Louisiana Gold green sauce, but you can add your favorite pepper sauce. This is not hot, it just adds a great flavor. If you want this dish hot, you can add some chopped jalapeños to this. You'd add them at this time. We'll stir it up, bring it back to temperature. Ready to pour over our broccoli and rice that we've already mixed. I hope my bowl's large enough. I usually use a large red Tupperware bowl. This makes it a little easier to mix, but I believe this will work. All right, this is a 13 by 9 pan. I need help, this is heavy. Pretty full. Looks like I'm gonna have additional, so my neighbors always get the extra. I'm gonna make a smaller one for them. So as you can see, it's a large casserole. In the oven at 375, here we go. Here it comes, 45 minutes later. Oh my, that looks good. Nice and bubbly. I usually let it brown just a little bit more. And here it is, rich, creamy, cheesy broccoli rice casserole. It's so good. And your family will love this too. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. This is the type of content you can expect on this channel. So if you like cooking videos like this, you should consider subscribing. Ring the bell so you are always notified when we post another video. Give this recipe a try. I know you'll enjoy it. Y'all have a blessed day.